Hey ho, sing hey ho, unto loving holly, most friendship is fading, most longing their folly. Then hey ho, the holly, this life is most jolly. That does not lie so nigh as fed thee best for naught. Though the waters roar, thy sting is not so sharp, as friend remembered, not as friend remembered not. Hey ho, sing